What's going on YouTube? Brett Seeley here. Today we are in Denver, Colorado. I'm with my homie,
Taisha.
and today we're going to show you 3 or 4 or maybe even 5 ways to use 2 lights. Ready?
Yes.
Are there any tips that you would give to brand new photographers who are trying to get into the industry?
Tips to our photographers?
Mm-hmm.
I think the first thing the models always are looking is for respect. So that's why I love it so much to work with you. They always treat that kind of respect,
What?
And you're always looking to help the model to look good. Like you don't really care about you. You know what I mean? You care about how the model is looking, the projection, the body, everything at the same time. And that's great.
Respect the model, and then you're going to be able to shoot with her.
Exactly.
Yeah. We're going to show you, like I said, 3, 4, 5 different ways to use 2 strobes. And hopefully you learn something. Be sure to check her out on Instagram. I'll post her link down below. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put those down in the comment area. And hopefully you learn something. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Roll down your spine, lost in the music, lost in time. And I don't wanna be a cliche, but it seems like things are going that way. I don't know what to say. Won't you hold me? Won't you hold me dear? Hold me deep into the night and we'll be fearless together like a ghost. Hold me, won't you hold me dear? Hold me deep into the night and we'll be fearless together. Your breath, it haunts me, words unclear. I'm thinking I should make a move. Feel my heart is beating out of my chest. I'll still give you my best. Won't you hold me? Won't you hold me down? Hold me closer, kiss me harder so I don't make a sound. Like a ghost, hold me. Won't you hold me down? Hold me closer, kiss me harder so I don't make a sound. Like a ghost.
Gotta go. What did you teach them? ¿Qué enseñaste a ellos? La gente.
Oh, we was talking about lights, no?
Mm-hmm.
And of course about this beautiful body.
Ella dice que el cuerpo es así, más o menos. Sí, ella necesita ir al gimnasio más solamente 2 días al año.
Me.
¡Ay, no mames! We showed you 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. We showed you a couple different light setups, 2 lights. I prefer 4 or 5 or 6, but 1 or 2 will definitely get the job done. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, leave a comment down below. Please give us a like, a thumbs up. Please share. Stay tuned until the next video, and until then, keep shooting. Adios, pinche pende... No, I can't say that.
Pinche chingones.
Pinche chingones. Adios. Hasta luego.